How the good do? So good afternoon to everybody. I'd like to thank you to, it's a big privilege to be a part of 96th birthday of Father Rookie. And all of you, I was surprised. We are almost same birthday of Father Rookie. Father Rookie is 96, I was 46.
Father Rookie,
43 and 96. So we continue to pray the ministry of Father Rookie on those who are people touched the heart by Father Rookie. Even me, I was touched of Father Rookie. I was surprised. I was in Cincinnati and Texas, and when some people knows I went in here in Chicago, everybody said, if you go to Chicago, to make sure to meet Father Rookie. And I don't know who's Father Rookie. And I was surprised when I was in one church or the hall. Father Rookie was there and present and give his blessing. And I was surprised. He signed the card and he signed 12 cards, and I give to the people in Cincinnati and Texas. That people, you feel when they see the card with the sign of Father Rookie, he almost jumping on the floor, because it's very hard to touch and to sign to Father Rookie prayer card. Even me, sometimes I was sick, I always pray the prayer of miracle prayer of Father Rookie. Remember in your prayer, and Father Rookie is your part of your life. Is always continue to pray for him, give him strength, especially the ministry of healing. It's very hard to manage the ministry of healing, especially if you are the healing all kinds of trials and all kinds of trouble with always with you. We continue to pray for them every night. Even you sure you feel the healing spiritually, emotionally, psychologically, or physical healing. Always to project, to try to pray to Father Rookie every night, because healers need healers, doctors need doctors, and dentists, you cannot remove your teeth by yourself. You need also a doctor dentist. So we continue to pray to Father Rookie to give continuous to strength, and me to another 4 years from now, you become 100 years old, Father.
Yes, Father.
So we continue to pray for them. After 100 years, see you to each others, and more people to support you and pray for you. To the intercession of our Blessed Virgin Mary and our Lord Jesus Christ. Mabuhay and God bless.
God bless.